In today's video, I'll show you how to make a subscribe button using Kapwing. Adding a subscribe button is a simple way to grow your audience and remind viewers to stay connected with your content. Start by opening Kapwing Studio in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, either create a new project or open an existing video where you want the subscribe button to appear. Upload your video if it's not already on the timeline. Now you have two easy options. If you want something quick and professional, open the template section and search for subscribe. You'll find ready-made subscribe button animations that you can drop straight onto your timeline. Once added, you can resize it, reposition it, and adjust the timing so it appears exactly when you want. If you prefer to create your own button, start by adding a text element and type the word subscribe. Next, add a shape element like a rectangle or rounded rectangle and place it behind the text to form the button background. Resize the shape so it neatly frames the text. Style your button by adjusting the font, text color, and background color. Choose bold, high contrast colors so the button stands out clearly on screen. You can also add subtle shadows or animation effects to make it more eye-catching. Once your subscribe button looks good, position it where viewers are most likely to notice it, usually near the end of the video or during your call to action. Adjust how long it stays on screen, save your project, and export the video. And that's it. You've successfully created a subscribe button in Kapwing, adding a clean, professional touch that encourages viewers to follow your channel. Happy editing!